This is a super easy Thai steamed fish recipe. It is refreshing, tangy, spicy, and garlicky. I can eat this every other day. This is a snapper fish, butterfly the fish. We're going to steam the fish with some shredded ginger and a tablespoon of wine. Steam the fish for 8 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the sauce. This is chopped chilli. I'm using 1 big chilli and 1 chilli padi. Chop 3 cloves of garlic, slice 2 shallots and some ginger. This is the juice from 1 lemon. And we need a bowl of water. With some oil, fry the chopped garlic, ginger and shallots briefly. Add the chopped chillies, and a splash of wine. Add 1 bowl of water. Two tablespoons of fish sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add the lemon juice. Taste and adjust the taste accordingly. I'm adding another teaspoon of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The fish is cooked. Look at the eye. The eye of the fish has popped out. Transfer the steamed fish onto a serving plate. Garnish with some chopped coriander. Drizzle the sauce over the fish. And this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.